Holiday trips are a wonderful part of the year. They connect you with family and friends. They let you explore new places. But thinking about the cost of flights can bring stress. Prices for Thanksgiving flights always seem to go up. Prices for Christmas flights always seem to go up. It feels like you have to pay a lot of money. Many people believe that expensive holiday travel is just a fact of life. They accept the high prices without looking for a better way. This can make planning a trip feel overwhelming before you even start packing your bags. You might think saving hundreds of dollars is impossible, but it is not. With a few smart moves, you can keep more money in your pocket. Welcome to Empower Your Journey. Today, we will cover 5 simple tricks. These tricks are easy for anyone to use. Following these steps can help you save $300 or even more on your 2025 holiday flights. Number 1. Know when to book. One of the biggest questions in travel is when to buy your plane ticket. If you book too early, you might pay a premium. Airlines often release their highest fares first. If you wait too long, you will face last-minute price hikes. This is especially true for holiday travel, when demand is very high. The key is to find the perfect middle ground, the sweet spot. For holiday flights in 2025, that sweet spot is usually about 6 to 8 weeks before your travel date. This means you should start looking seriously in late October for Christmas travel. For Thanksgiving, you should begin your search in early to mid-September. During this window, airlines have a better sense of demand. They often adjust prices to fill empty seats. This competition between carriers can lead to significant discounts for you. A great tool to help you is Google Flights. It has a feature called the price graph. This graph shows you how the price for your chosen route has changed over time. You can see historical data and get a sense of when prices tend to drop. More importantly, you can set a price alert. Simply enter your destination and dates, then turn on track prices. Google will email you when fares move, so you do not have to check daily. Let's say you want to fly from Chicago to Los Angeles for Christmas. In September, the round-trip ticket is priced at $900. You set a price alert. In late October, about 7 weeks before Christmas, you get an email. The price has dropped to $650. You book it right away. Just by waiting for the sweet spot, you save $250 on a single ticket. With a partner, that is an instant $500 saved. Practical takeaway: set a flight alert right now, even if you do not have fixed dates, and let the algorithm do the work for you. Number 2. Use credit card points. Credit card points and travel rewards are like a secret currency. If you have them, you can use them to dramatically reduce the cash you spend on flights. Most programs let you use a mix of points and cash. You do not need the full amount to get a discount. Even a small number helps. To get started, look at travel rewards cards. Some of the best cards for 2025 are Chase Sapphire Preferred, Capital One Venture X, and American Express Gold Card. The real power comes from welcome bonuses. Meet the minimum spend and you can earn $50,000, $75,000, or even more. It can take 1 to 2 months to qualify and for points to post. Apply by October so your bonus points are ready for December bookings. Imagine New York to Miami costs $700. You earned a 60,000-point bonus worth about 1 cent each, $600 of value. Apply your points to the booking and pay only $100 cash. You just saved $600. Practical takeaway: apply for a rewards card by October so your bonus points are ready to use by December. This is one of the most effective ways to make holiday travel affordable. And hey, if you play it right, that flight might cost less than your airport snacks. If you're loving these tips so far, don't forget to hit that like button and drop a quick comment. I'd love to hear from you. Number 3, be flexible. One of the easiest ways to save money on flights is to be flexible. Holidays make peak days pricey. So, what are the off-peak days for holiday travel? Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday. For Christmas 2025, shifting by a day or two can cut costs. Returning on Tuesday or Wednesday often beats a Sunday return. Time matters too. Early mornings and red-eyes are typically 20 to 30% cheaper than comfy midday departures. You plan Denver to Orlando on Friday, December 19th, returning Sunday the 28th. Price: $800 before booking. You check other dates. Fly Saturday, December 20th and return Tuesday, December 30th. Now it is $650. That simple shift saves $150. Practical takeaway: move your flight from December 22 to December 24. Same destination, potentially $150 cheaper. If you can handle an early alarm or a red-eye snooze, your wallet will thank you. You got this, y'all. Number 4. Use multi-city tricks. Sometimes the most direct path is not the cheapest. Hidden city ticketing is booking a flight where your true destination is the layover city. You get off and skip the final leg. Sometimes New York to San Francisco via Chicago is cheaper than New York to Chicago direct. Tools like Skip-Lagged surface these routes for you. Important: do not check bags. Checked luggage goes to the final ticketed city. Example: Atlanta to Lisbon. Direct is $900. A flight to Madrid with a Lisbon layover is $600. You get off in Lisbon and skip the last leg. You saved $300. Also, try multi-city. Break the trip into pieces, especially in Europe, and combine cheap hops for a lower total. It can feel sneaky, but it is a legal way to save when you pack light. Number 5. Set up fare alerts. You should never assume that the first price you see is the best. Flight fares vary across platforms. Check at least 3. Start with Google Flights, then Momondo, then Skyscanner. Set fare alerts on each. Deals can vanish in hours. Pro tip: use incognito to avoid cookie-based price creep. Some travelers also try a VPN for regional price differences. Example: Seattle to Boston. Google Flights shows $720. In incognito, Momondo finds $620 via a smaller agency. Skyscanner surfaces $580. 10 minutes saved $140. Practical takeaway: spend 10 minutes comparing fares on 3 platforms. That alone can save you up to $200. Here's our bonus tip. We are often trained to book round-trip tickets. However, 2 one-way can be cheaper. Mix and match airlines. Maybe a legacy carrier outbound and a budget airline for the return. On Google Flights or Kayak, compare round-trip versus the sum of 2 one-ways. This shines on international trips. Cross the Atlantic on a major carrier, then hop around Europe on budget airlines. Example: Philadelphia to Dublin round trip is $2,200. 2 one-ways total $800. You saved $400. Start looking for these deals now, and happy travels. Now that you know these 5 travel tips, imagine what you could do with an extra $500. Nicer hotel, special meals, fun activities, or keep it in your bank account. The power to save is in your hands. Let's unlock these simple but powerful secrets together and make your next holiday trip the most affordable one yet. So, tell me, which tricks are you definitely going to try first? Drop it in the comments below. I want to know your go-to move for surviving holiday travel. And hey, if you love these tips, I've got another video you'll definitely want to see next. Until next time, travel smart, spend less, and live free.